This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing 4 different melodies that are written in standard music notation. Of course, we'll play those melodies in first position, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And these melodies are going to be in the key of F sharp major. We've got 6 sharps. Only the B natural is used in this key signature. So lots of sharps happening. Of course, we've been working on this in the last couple of videos by playing the scales and by playing some other melodies. So it's going to be fun. As we play these melodies, we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment. So we'll be jamming with the band. Super fun. Makes it really fun, as I said, but it's also really helpful. It keeps us in time. So this video accompanies lesson 23 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we'll be on pages 148 and 149 doing songs 12, 13, 14, and 15. We've done this sort of thing quite a bit in the lesson series, so I'm not really going to go over it. We're just going to do each one of these at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. I'll just make one little mention to watch out with number 15 for the change in time signatures. So as we go through, there's going to be some places where the time signature changes from 4/4 to 3/4, and we've got 5/4 in there. So just be aware that the time signature is changing, and you got to kind of keep track of that. Hopefully the drums accompaniment and playing along with me will help, but you do want to be aware of that. All right, let's play these. Okay, awesome! 6 sharps. As we move on in the lesson series, we're going to go to lesson 24 in the note reading book, where we get to work on 6 flats in the key signature. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.